So hello everyone, I'm back with a new video. In this video, we are going to break down the trades which I took this week, and we'll try to understand what was the reasoning behind that. And this video will really help you all to gain confidence while taking trades, either based on your or mine analysis. So let's get started. But before we look on the trades, let's understand few terms if you don't understand this. So the first one is the fair value gap. Okay, a fair value gap is basically when you have three candles in a row, okay, and the color is irrespective of what color it is. The middle gap is what your fair value gap is. In simple terms, it simply means that when your first candle's high and the third candle's low is not overlapping, that's what your fair value gap is. So here you could see that, okay, so this gap that you see here is your fair value gap. Okay, second thing is understanding this SMT divergence or smart money tool divergence, which is also a key important role which plays into my trade setups. So which is that when you have correlated pairs, now correlated pairs simply means, let's say there is Bitcoin and Ethereum, there is Euro and GBP, or there is Nasdaq or S&P 500. So these trades are the correlated pairs. Okay, so when what generally happen in that is, if Bitcoin is making a low and making a higher low, Ethereum will also make a low and a higher low in that respective time frame. Okay, but in a smart money tool, or where there is a smart money divergence, what happen is at that time frame and at that time, Bitcoin may not break that low and Ethereum can break that low. Okay, so that divergence which you see here is what your SMT divergence is. Okay, now let's go over our setup. Okay, well, we have one more key thing, which is the time frame alignment. So something which is important right now is understanding the H4 to M15, H1 to M5, and M15 to M1. So it simply means that if we have a H4 key level, we will use the M15 structure confirmation, or if we have the H1, we'll use the M5 confirmation, and if we have the M15 time frame key level, we will use the M1 time frame confirmation. I don't trade this. I usually trade H1 and H4 key level for my day trading. All right, so here this is our Bitcoin and this is our Ethereum chart. Here you can see that here this low is not getting swept on Bitcoin, but it's getting swept on Ethereum, which was on that time frame. Okay, so let's understand the Bitcoin rate first. So here we had an fair value gap on 1 hour time frame. Okay, and yeah, that's good. Now if it is a 1 hour key level, we need the M5 structure confirmation or any type of confirmation. I use changing state of delivery or breaker. Okay, so I'll let you know what exactly changing state of delivery is. So here you could see this is our H1 fair value gap. We sweep this low, okay, and then the bearish candle which swept the low is the order block for me, and once we close above that, that is a change in state of delivery. That's my personal opinion. Some people also use series of candles, but I generally use the candle which sweep the liquidity, and if we close above this, that is what my change in state of delivery is. Okay, so now we can see this candle has taken the liquidity and we have closed above it. Now all we are going to do is place an order at this order block, and after the closing confirmation, and put the stop loss below that candle's low. And you can do two things. If your dawn liquidity is clear, you can take that as your target, but if your dawn liquidity is sometime not clear, you should take half risk trade with 1:2. Okay, so here I have a very clear drawn liquidity as this high. Okay, and I was damn sure, okay, at least we are getting this high. So what we did is we just placed the entry here, and this is our target, and now boom. So this was a 4-hour trade. Okay, now going on the Ethereum trade, as it is, trading is what exactly it is. We just keep repeating the things. I'm just making all the trading breakdown video just to give you more confidence in executing trades. Okay, now this is Ethereum chart on 1 hour. So if it is a 1 hour, what time frame confirmation we need? M5. All right, so we'll go on the M5. Here you can see we have an SMT. This candle's taken the liquidity of this low, and once we close above this, all we are going to do is place an order there. We will set stop loss below that candle's low and just wait for it to hit TP stop loss. So here we have another target, but it was about 2.85 R. Okay, now here are the two wins which we had. Okay, and yes, all the trades ideas were shared in Discord channel, so if you are interested you can check out the description. Now third thing, or you can join my Telegram. So yes, so third is our gold. Okay, so gold, we had an H4 fair value gap which was in a premium zone, sorry, which was in a discount zone. Okay, so we have the H4. So if we have H4, what we need is a M15 change in state of delivery. Okay, so we also need some SMT. So here is your SMT. Okay, so this candle slow is sweeping here, but from here this candle slow, it is not sweeping. I forgot to mark on gold, but yes, it is what it is. Okay, you can go and check out on H4. Okay, so we had this sweep, and this was my drawn liquidity, which was the daily supply. Okay, so this was my very clear drawn liquidity, and I was so obvious that yes, we are 100% going to take this. Okay, if we have the confirmation. So now I waited on M15. This candles has taken this liquidity. Now once we have closed above this, what I did is I just placed an entry and I put my stop loss. I could have set my limit here, but it was kind of swing to me, so I played a little safe and set the stop loss here, which was ideal for me because I was still getting 3.5 to 4 hour on this trade. All right, so here we go. Okay, we had the limit entry here, which got filled, and then we have the drawn liquidity being hit, and we have this beautiful trade. So yes, these are the trades which I took. We also have I also have taken one Ethereum trade which got stopped out, which was 0.3 R minus, which I couldn't cover. So maybe I will cover this in next video, because I will do share my losses too of the week if I have some, so there's no problem in that. Okay, so guys, this was all about this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and if you learned something, make sure you comment. And yes, that's it. I'll see you with next educational or breakdown video soon. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day, enjoy, and all the best for the next week.